Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Halloween makeup look. My last one was a little bit more complex, so I thought I'd make this one. It's pretty easy and it's all drugstore, so it's very affordable and easy to recreate. I hope you guys enjoy and just keep on watching. So I'm first going to be taking my NYX Full Coverage Concealer. This is to prime my eyelids. You can obviously use any eyelid primer, but I find this one is a really good dupe for the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. For my eyeshadow today, all I really use is this palette. This is the Tassise Profusion palette. This is only $10 at like Target or Walmart, and it's so good, you guys. Like, I love this palette, and it has like every shade we need to create this look. It's super great for fall. So I'm first going to be taking this orangey shade called Dynasty, and this is just going to go in our crease, but we're not going to blend it out. We're just going to kind of pack it on. It's going to look kind of crazy, but we're going to blend it out with a lighter shade. Now taking the shade Oasis, which is a lighter shade of Dynasty that we just applied, and I'm going to be blending that out upwards. Also, throughout this video, I use the BH Cosmetics Quick Brush Cleaner. Obviously, this doesn't fully clean your brushes, but it kind of just wipes off the product, so you can use it again without switching brushes. The reason why I'm using this is because since it's drugstore, you would be able to get away with using one brush because obviously any product that's left over wouldn't come off. Next, I'm going to be dipping into this yellow. I think this is called like Serendipity or something. I don't know, I probably sound really stupid saying that. But I'm taking that on a fluffy brush, and I'm kind of just blending out the orange and the yellow together. Then I'm going back in with the Dynasty shade to kind of brighten up the crease a bit since we just blended it away with the yellow. For this next part, I'm going to be using Shadow Shields. I got mine off of Amazon, 100 pieces for $2. It's basically a sticky shield that you put under your eye, and it prevents fallout from going on your face. For my lid shade, I'm going to be going in with Daring. This is kind of like the main shade of the whole eyeshadow look. And I'm going to be taking that with a flat end brush and putting it all over my lid. Then to darken that up, I'm going to be taking the shade Madly, which is kind of a darker version of that color that we just put on. And I'm going to be putting it right where we put the other color. And also, since this is a double-ended brush, it's really easy for me to switch between blending and applying. Then just doing the same exact thing to the other side. For under my eyes, I'm going to be going in with the shade Fearless. This is like a light brown color, and I'm just going to be kind of like tight lining my under eyes, if that makes sense. Then I'm going to mix the orange shade and the yellow shade that we used in our crease, and I'm going to be putting that under our eye, under the brown shade to kind of blend it out. For my glitter today, I'm using the NYX Stackable Makeup. This is the middle shade Copper. It looks kind of pink, but it's really orange in real life. And I'm applying that with the Second Love Glitter Primer. I'm moving my shadow shields up as well, so no glitter gets under my eye. And I'm just applying the glitter to the middle like we would kind of with a halo eye. Then I'm going to be using this black pencil eyeliner. This one's from e.l.f. and I'm going to be putting that in my waterline. You guys always ask me questions about my lashes and where I get them and what I use. These are the Viso-free eyelashes. I get mine off of AliExpress. It comes in like a pack of 12 for $6, which is super affordable, and they're actually really great. I've been using them for like about a year now, and I wouldn't recommend anything to you guys that I truly don't love. And these, I love them. I'm not going to spend $50 on one pair of Lily lashes. That's just ridiculous to me. And also, I'm using the Kiss Lash Glue. So now that our eyes are done, we're going to move on to our face. I'm going to be taking the Clean and Clear makeup wipes just to remove any makeup that's left over on our face or any fallout or glitter that could have gotten on our face. Since this is all drugstore, you guys already know I had to bring out my e.l.f. Prep and Blur priming stick. I love this so much. I've talked about it in so many of my videos. It's just so quick and easy to apply, and it does such a good job. For my foundation today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I love this because it's on a spatula, and it's just really easy and fun to apply. And by the way, I'm using the BH Cosmetics brushes, and I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and blending that out. Also, be careful of your eye makeup because I almost messed mine up. For my mascara, I'm going to be using the Volume Stylist Essence Mascara. To conceal today, another product that I love is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. To set that, I'm going to be using the Milani Perfecting Pressed Powder. For my contour recently, I've been trying out the Pro Contour Palette by Profusion. This looks like a Kat Von D Shade and Light dupe, and I've never tried that palette, but I honestly love the way this one performs. And I wish I could say it was a dupe, but I never tried the Kat Von D one. For my highlight today, I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. and That's Heart collab. These two shades are honestly so beautiful, and I'm going to be mixing them for my highlight today. So this is basically the completed eyes. You could just leave this and make it a cute fall look, but if you're like me and want to add a little bit more Halloween to it and add a spider, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm picking my right eye. You could pick either eye, and you're just going to draw a straight line down from your eye. It's going to look crazy, and then you're just going to add a point to the end of it. My spider just got fatter and fatter because I kept messing up, but then you're just going to add like curved legs to the side. I added 3 on each side. I don't know why. It's just like the typical spider in my head, and there you go. That is the completed look with the spider and everything. I actually really like how this turned out. If you guys decide to recreate this, please tweet me, DM me, Snapchat it to me. I want to see all your guys' recreations. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. We're all on the road to 100K, and it's just gonna be a whole lot better if you join and experience it with me. But that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love all of you so much, and bye guys!